Take a look at this 2007 Travel Supreme River Canyon fifth wheel. Award-winning features on this vehicle include 4 slide-outs, polar pack, lots of storage and closet space, large kitchen with double sink, propane stove, microwave and conventional oven, a double-door fridge and freezer combo, propane furnace, propane and electric hot water, queen-size bed, Maytag washer and dryer, sofa and hide-a-bed, entertainment center, electric fireplace, and it sleeps 4 with 2 recliners, computer desk, vinyl and carpet floors, an inverter, ducted air conditioning and heat, roof air conditioning, and all appliances in this unit have a warranty. It is smoke and pet free, and they're only asking $50,000 for this beautiful vehicle. Please call our friendly staff today at 855-882-6670 for more information on this beautiful 2007 Travel Supreme River Canyon fifth wheel.